Hello and welcome back once more. Today I am going to be showing you how I make my date syrup at home. So date syrup is made with the date fruit, which is a very natural fruit that we eat, and it boasts of many vitamins and minerals as well as fiber, as you can see listed on the screen. So using it as a syrup, it's a very good natural alternative to using sugar. So you can get dates in fresh form, as you can see it here, or sometimes you can get it in dry forms, especially in Nigeria. If you see the Hausa sellers, just ask them for dabino, which is another name that dates is known as in Nigeria. Now, the interesting thing about dates is that it can be made in different forms. I already have a recipe showing you how to make the date sugar, which is a dry form of dates, and you can get the link for this video in the description box below. The good thing is that dates can be used by the whole family, or you can use it for the whole family, including babies. So once your baby clocks 6 months, you can give them dates. This is quite different from honey, which normally you give children when they are 12 months and above. But with dates, you don't have that problem. Once you start weaning, you can add this natural sweetener to your baby's food. Before I start showing you how I made this, let's observe protocols. To my old members that are here, thank you for tuning in once again. And to the new members, if you are new to this channel, you are very welcome. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the notification button below. Don't forget to click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. So I'm going to be starting by removing the seeds in the middle of my dates. As you can see, the dates have seeds in the middle, which you need to remove. Sometimes when you go to the market, you might be lucky to buy what we call pitted dates, which does not have the seeds or stones, as it is sometimes called. So if you are lucky, you can buy the one that has already been removed. So if you have that, there's no need to go through this process that I'm going through now. Now I'm going to measure it with my bowl and then put it in a pot where I'm going to cook it. I'm putting it in the bowl like this as a measure, so that I will be able to know the quantity of water that I'm going to use to cook it. So this is one bowl, and then I'm going to put them in my pot, and then I'm going to add my water in the pot once I'm done with this. So for every bowl of date that I've put in my pot, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of water, and it measured about 3 bowls of dates, so I'm going to be adding about 6 cups of water. So I'm cooking my dates whole here, but you can also chop it into pieces instead of leaving it whole. I just felt lazy today, that's why I'm doing it like this. So all you need to remember once you are doing it is to make sure that the ratio of your water to dates is 2:1. That's double the water to. So my dates are boiling now, and I'm going to allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until the dates are soft. I added some cinnamon stick, which I have just for flavor. You can also peel some ginger and put in it as an alternative flavor, or you can equally just leave it as it is. So I am getting my bag ready. This is my nut milk bag, which I'm going to use to drain it. As you can see, it's really tightly threaded, so that when I'm going to drain it, it makes sure that only the liquid passes through. So I'm taking the cinnamon sticks out now while I'm removing it from heat. As you can see, my dates are very soft now, and that's my water. It's not syrupy yet, so I'm going to drain it now. It's really quite hot, so you have to be careful so that you don't burn yourself. As you can see, the water is already draining out, so I'm going to finish putting the rest, and then I'm going to squeeze my bag. You can put a strainer as I put here, and then maybe use a spoon and press it, or you can use your hand and squeeze it. It's really quite hot, so it's a bit difficult to press like this. Now here is my pulp, which is full of fiber. We are not going to throw this away, we are going to use it for something else. But for now, I felt I can still get some more syrup from it, or more liquid from it, I would say. So I put it in my bowl and added some water, and then stirred it to get some more liquid into the one I already had. So I'm straining again. This time it's a little bit easier because I used cold water. So I'm going to squeeze as much as I can to get some liquid. As you can see, this liquid is not as thick as the first one that I did, but all the same, we've done it. But I don't think this is a good idea. Just stick to the liquid that you used in cooking your dates. I've gotten all my liquid out now. Here is it. I'm going to put it back in my pot, add some of my cinnamon sticks again, and then I'm going to cook it until it boils down to get the, so you are going to get the syrup as this liquid boils down very well. The more it boils down, the more thick the syrup will be. As you can see, mine is still a bit watery, but I've noticed from the other ones that I did that it normally thickens when you leave it to cool down. So I pour it into a bowl, as you can see, and then leave it to cool. It cools down, it thickens up more. I like it syrupy, and this is the syrup here, all good and ready. You can see it's thickening more as it's getting colder. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. See you in my next video. Bye.